Hey guys, I'm Kelly with thesuburbansoapbox.com, and today we are making a super simple appetizer with no cooking required. These easy to make smoked salmon canapes are made in just a few minutes with a slice of pumpernickel bread, some whipped cream cheese, a little bit of chives, and some smoked salmon. Topped with some fresh veggies, and you have the most amazing appetizer for any occasion. To start your canapes, first we're going to make the whipped cream cheese. And for that, you just need a few ingredients. I like to start with a room temperature cream cheese and some Greek yogurt. If you don't have Greek yogurt, you can definitely substitute the Greek yogurt with some sour cream. It's just there to kind of make it light and fluffy and easy to spread. So add your cream cheese to the bowl. And your Greek yogurt or sour cream if that's what you're using, and some chives, a little bit of salt, some fresh cracked pepper, and then beat it in the bowl until fluffy. Once your cream cheese is well blended and fluffy, you're just going to scrape it all off of your little mixer and set it aside. Next, you're going to slice up your vegetables. The vegetables are used as a topping, so I like to put thinly sliced cucumbers and some diced tomatoes and a little bit of red onion to kind of like punch up the flavor a little bit. But sometimes you can't find really great tomatoes, so I like to slice up some grape tomatoes to put on top. And the little slices just look cute and miniature. It's kind of perfect for the canape. So seriously, it doesn't get any easier than that for making a no-cook appetizer. You can have this on the table in about 10 minutes flat. It's perfect for baby showers, bridal showers, Christmas, New Year's, Easter, just about every occasion. It's a little salty, a little smoky, creamy, fresh, light, just like lox and bagels, but in the perfect bite-sized form. For extra tips and recipe ideas, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. And if you like this video, please be sure to share it.